Hi, Limitless Squad. Oh my god, the lighting is terrible. I'm so sorry. There you go, Limitless Squad. So I'm so sorry I haven't posted in like 2 months, but now I'm back to posting. Okay, I'll stop wasting time. So today we have my babies. This is my Yeti, and he has Orbeez in him. Yeah, just don't mind where that hole comes from. He has to fly away. Next is my panda. He feels super good, super squishy, and bouncy. Like, you can see him jiggle whenever I drop him. He's like, wee. Now he's gonna roll away. Woo. So, please give me some, like, video ideas in the comments, because I would love to hear your ideas. Wait, this way. I love to hear your ideas. Bye.